It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, an auto express window, child lock button, the power liftgate button, and this Denali comes with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both the headrests, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Down below is GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. To the left, we've got the push start button. Down below, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plugins. Here we have park assist and self park, heated and cooled front leather seats. We've got hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, off-road mode, and trailer mode. Lastly, we have the wireless charging pocket. Place your phone in the pocket and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera. We've got fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power liftgate. In the trunk of the Terrain, we've got plenty of cargo space, the levers to fold that second row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo mats, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, there are seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the heated rear seat buttons, some USB plug-ins, and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And for those longer, larger items, pull the lever located on the top of the seat to fold the rear seats down. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.